welcome to Plush2x's Vegan Kitchen, PVK, and I'm Plush2x. Today I'm going to be showing you some homemade barbecue jackfruit and some homemade pulled pork jackfruit, smoky jackfruit. Now these are the jackfruits that you saw on the last episode, episode 114, except for I added my own barbecue sauce to it because some of them they didn't have a barbecue sauce. And I showed different brands like Jack and Annie's and Upton's. But today I am trying a different brand as well. It's called Barvecue, and they have different ones. They got pulled, they got chopped, they got the naked one where you can add your own sauce. So I decided to try this one as well, along with the homemade ones that I did. Here's what it looks like. Yeah, I'm familiar with this brand, but I never had this. Like I think like a year or two ago, they had jerkies, and they discontinued it. So this is what this looks like, and here's the ingredients. Run away. Zoom in. Yeah, they had some jerkies that I had bought from Vegan Essentials online, but they discontinued that. So this is what they have now, and it's alright. I mean, I had to add some more barbecue sauce to it, but you know the sauce is okay. I like it better than the Upton's barbecue sauce. Now, here's what I did, right? I got several jackfruit from the last episode. As you see, that some of them come in brine, and then there was some that came in the packet. Now, the one in the brine, the young jackfruit, I had to shred it apart. All of them, I fried them. I'm going to show you what it looks like fried, the non-fried, and then with the barbecue sauce. It's right here. Okay, here they are. This one here was the Upton's barbecue. I wound up not liking the barbecue sauce, so I rinsed the barbecue sauce off, and then I fried it. This one looks like fried, and then of course here it is. It's right here. When I put the original Crafts, I like this barbecue sauce here. It's good, and I put it here. And now here's the Jack and Annie's, the smoked pulled pork one. This is what it looked like when I showed it in the last episode. This is what it looks like fried. And this is what it looks like smothered in that barbecue. This looks so good. It smells so good in here. It was smoky earlier though, because I was frying all of this. I fried all of these individually, but then I didn't put in the barbecue sauce individually because I didn't want to wash this pan 4 times. So I just put them all in their little corner, and then I put the barbecue sauce on top of it, and then let it do its thing. But I did fry them individually because obviously I didn't want to mix them up and stuff like that. But yeah, so this one here is, oh yeah, this is the Jack and Annie's smoked pulled pork. That's fried. And then there's the Upton. They had another one that was not barbecue sauce. Like this one was barbecue sauce, and I rinsed that off. But this one was not barbecue sauce. And then here's what it looked like raw. Here's what it looked like fried. And here is what it looks like with the barbecue sauce right there. And then there was the young jackfruit in a brine can. Brine. I keep saying brine. Brine. I never had it before, so I didn't know what to call it. So yeah, this is what it looked like when I showed it in the last episode, episode 114. And then I shredded it out. You have to shred it open. And then this is what it looks like fried. And then this is what it looks like in the barbecue sauce. And then here is this one that I just showed, the barbecue pulled pork. Not pork. Oh, that's what it's supposed to be, but it's vegan. And that's what it looks like right here. Their own barbecue sauce in there, which is good. It's similar to this one. It's not unlike the Upton is different. It's more tangy. This was sweet. I like the sweeter barbecue sauce. They actually have brown sugar too, but I think that one's a little too sweet. I'm gonna stick to the original. But yeah, the Upton's, it was more tangy than sweet, so I didn't like that, so I rinsed that off. This one here is more like this sauce, but it's just not as not too much on there. I like to smother it, as you can see. So this is what it looks like before I added more to it. So yeah, here it is. Don't that look so good? Chef Plush2x be throwing down in this kitchen, I'm telling y'all. And that's why I like to get some takeouts whenever I can find some, because I don't like cooking all the time, because I do cook a lot. But I like cooking sometimes because I like to experiment different things. Like this was something new for me. And yeah, it's fun, it's adventurous, but it's a lot of work. Alright, stay tuned for more with Plush2x's Vegan Kitchen, and have a good day. Bye. Mwah.